RDC wa distrikiti y'e Kotido Honoria Ambrose asimye Omusumba Solomon Mwesige olw'okudduukirira abantu mu distrikiti y'e Kotido n'obuyambi obw'enjawulo.
To pay Kata's a visit and to give appreciation to the mission of Pastor Solomon, which has been doing a very big and tremendous job in Kotido, a district where I represent the president. Now, by normal circumstances, it's not in order for you to keep on receiving, and you do not know the address. And today, I have been able to be blessed myself to come to the church, to come to feed the hungry East Africa, and to be able to meet the staff who have put a lot of energy.
Ono mukama waffe RDC waffe owe Kotido avuddeyo okujja okulaba we tubeera, okulaba ebintu tubikola tutya, bye bigende Kotido bivaawa, n'okwebaza kuba munnange ebintu bigenda. Guno mwaka tuli myaka 2 tusindika bintu, tusima nzizi, tukola tutya, naye nange nemwebaza kuba abalala obawa n'asirika nga asigala asuubira naye tamanya kigenda mu maaso. Era kyakoze I've not seen anybody coming from Rwamwanja. I've been in Rwamwanja for 13 years.
Yes.
Nobody has come from there.
Ono okwogera bino leero abadde akyaddeko ku kitebe kya Feed the Hungry East Africa wano ku buweereza bw'ekkanisa eya Good News esangibwa e Bulenga ng'atunnyonnyodde ensonga ezimutindizza eggendo okuva e Kotido okujja wano.
Those interventions were very much welcome to the community, and we continue to thank Pastor Solomon and his mobilization team and everybody who has made a contribution. Chechimpadde akaseera okugamba nange ntambuleko ntuuke neebaze Pastor Solomon ne tiimu ye okulaba nti basobodde otubeezaawo.
Ayogedde ku projekiti ez'enjawulo Omusumba Solomon Mwesige zazaatembeeta ng'ayamba abantu b'e Karamoja z'agamba nti ziyambye nnyo mu kukyusa embeera z'abantu bano.
Better gift to a people than water is not there. So the moment we received those 2 water points, we were very grateful, because this water was not only for human consumption, but even the animals also get benefit of this water. This water source gives a lot of water per hour. It's the high-yielding water source. We are so grateful, of course, but we are looking forward to getting more water sources. Now, the truth is that, of course, I did not just come to thank you because you are giving us food, but you are giving us quality food. You know, that's, I told you the other time, yes. Some of this food, when people look at them, for one, the packaging and the food and the component of the nutrients is 100% right. Exactly. You know, when you give out things like cooking oil in jerry cans, you know, many people were thinking that you were giving water, but in the reality, we came to know you actually went a long distance to give people, some of them, some things that they had not used in their lives.
Exactly.
Thank you so much.
Annyonnyodde ku mbeera abantu b'e Kotido gye baali bawangaaliramu ng'Omusumba Solomon Mwesige tannatandika kubadduukirira na butya bwe bali mu kiseera kino.
This country knows that we lost a lot of people, and many people died as a result of hunger. And I will want to say we registered a lot of people who died out of hunger and then hunger-related diseases. As you are all aware that, you see, when you do not eat, there's a lot of challenges, and even the children, the babies, were really malnourished, and we had a lot of work done by the interventions of Pastor Solomon. And this is something that has not happened just yesterday. The hunger or the hunger-related deaths have been there for so many years, and these issues, of course, government has made interventions, but now we got more than what government offers, because we got cooking oil and we got some cereals, we got sugar, we got salt that are not provided by the central government.
Ku lw'abantu b'e Kotido asiimye abantu bonna abakwasizzaako Omusumba Solomon Mwesige. Ye Omusumba Solomon Mwesige amulambululidde ku bikwata ku kitongole kya Feed the Hungry East Africa era n'amwebaza olw'okutukyalirako.
These containers, all these, yes, we store food. And then we load on the truck that you have seen, which has always been to Kotido. Yes. We have stores also in refugee camps.
That is nice.
In Kiriandongo, we have our storage facilities. In Rwamwanja. So when food comes, it either goes straight to the camps or we store here. So from here, we move. So it's a big operation. We have people that handle customs, people that handle big offices like Office of the Prime Minister, to make sure that things are moving, and logistics, and some of our transportation. We have cooks, we have all these things. And then we also have reporters like Annette. She really does a good job when she comes into the field to make sure that people get to know what is there. And I can tell you that KSTV has done a very good job in advocating for Karamoja and especially Kotido district.
Musumba Solomon asiimye abamukwasizzaako mu nteekateeka gy'aliko bw'atyo n'abasaba obutajjanga okwo.
Mukama abawa omukisa tweyongere okuyamba Kotido. Karamoja nene naye naffe twesiba ku Kotido kuba Kotido yesinga okubeera obubi. Tuyambe Kotido, Mukama abawa omukisa.
Annette Namatovu yakusakidde eggulire lino ku lwa KSTV Agaleero.